Rose, quick question. Are you free this weekend?
That depends
Depends on what?
on why you're asking.
Why does there have to be a reason?
Because every time you say quick question, it's never actually a quick question.
Okay, that's fair.
So,
Are you free this weekend?
maybe.
Maybe.
I have a few things to do.
Like what?
I need to clean my apartment.
That's your weekend plan?
Yes.
Rose, that's not a plan. That's a cry for help.
My apartment needs me.
Your apartment will still be there on Monday.
Unfortunately, yes.
So come on, let's do something fun.
What did you have in mind?
I don't know yet.
So you called me to make plans without actually having a plan?
Exactly.
Caleb, that's not how making plans works.
I thought we could figure it out together.
Okay, fair enough.
So what are you up to this weekend?
I just told you I'm cleaning.
No, I mean after that.
Hopefully nothing.
Perfect. Then let's hang out. What?
I don't know.
You don't know if you want to hang out with me?
That's not what I said.
That's what I heard.
I just don't know what I want to do.
That's easy.
What?
We can go to the movies.
What's playing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
So you want to go to the movies, but you don't know what's playing.
We can check.
When?
Right now.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
My phone is at 2%.
Caleb.
It's fine.
No, it isn't.
I'll charge it.
Where's your charger?
At home.
And where are you now?
At your place.
Exactly.
Okay, maybe the movie idea isn't perfect.
Maybe we should start with something simpler.
Fine. How about dinner?
That's better. Do you want to grab something to eat?
Yeah, I'm down. Great, but where?
That's another question. You really didn't think this through, did you?
I had the big idea.
Which was?
Let's hang out.
Wow, brilliant.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's think.
What kind of food do you want?
I'm okay with anything.
I hate that answer.
Why?
Because when I suggest something, you always say no.
That's not true.
Last week, I asked if you wanted pizza.
I wasn't in the mood for pizza.
Then I suggested burgers.
I wasn't hungry.
Then I suggested sushi.
I had sushi the day before.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll choose.
Good.
Let's get pizza.
Caleb,
What?
you just said you would choose.
I chose.
You chose the thing I suggested.
That's teamwork.
Fine, pizza it is.
Great. What time works for you?
Saturday evening?
That's not a time.
Around 7?
7 works for me.
Great.
Where should we meet?
How about that pizza place downtown?
The one near the train station.
Yeah,
I've heard it's really good.
me too.
Okay, so we're meeting at 7 on Saturday.
Yes.
At the pizza place downtown.
Yes.
Near the train station.
Caleb,
What?
are you writing this down?
No,
Then why are you repeating everything?
because I don't want to forget.
You won't forget.
I might.
I'll text you.
Perfect.
Actually, let's invite Mia.
Mia?
Yeah,
You want to invite Mia?
why not?
I thought this was just going to be us.
Oh,
Not that I don't like Mia.
I know.
She's great.
I know.
She's funny.
I know.
She has good taste in music.
Caleb,
What?
you can stop explaining.
Okay.
So, should I invite her?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
But let's make sure she's free first.
Good idea.
Text her.
Why me?
You suggested it.
You suggested the whole plan.
Fair point.
I'll text her.
What are you going to say?
Hey, are you free Saturday?
That's it?
What else should I say?
Maybe tell her what we're doing.
Okay. Hey, are you free Saturday? We're thinking about getting pizza.
Perfect.
Should I ask her if she wants to join us?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
What now?
Maybe we should ask if she likes pizza.
Everyone likes pizza.
Not everyone.
Who doesn't like pizza?
My cousin.
Your cousin is strange.
I agree.
Okay.
I'll send the message.
What did she say?
Caleb, I just sent it.
Oh,
Give her a second.
okay.
She's typing.
Already?
Yes.
What did she say?
Sure. What time?
7.
7.
And the location?
At the new pizza place downtown.
Good.
She says, sounds good.
Perfect.
So it's official.
We're making plans.
We actually made plans.
I'm proud of us.
Me too.
Wait,
What?
what day is it today?
Thursday.
Oh,
What?
I just remembered something.
What did you remember?
I'm not free on Saturday.
You literally just asked me if I was free.
I know.
We invited Mia.
I know.
We made a plan.
I know.
And now you're not free?
Something came up.
What came up?
My brother's birthday.
Your brother's birthday is Saturday?
Yes.
Did you forget your brother's birthday?
No.
You forgot your own plans.
I haven't made the plans yet.
This is a disaster.
It's not a disaster.
We have to reschedule.
Yeah.
What day are you free?
Sunday.
I'm busy Sunday.
Monday.
I work.
Tuesday.
I have plans.
Wednesday.
Caleb, it's a pizza dinner.
I know.
Why are we planning this like a business meeting?
Because it's complicated.
Okay, let's check our schedules.
Good idea.
Saturday,
Can't.
Sunday,
You can't.
Monday,
I can't.
Tuesday,
You can't.
Wednesday.
I can.
Wednesday works for me.
Great.
But what about Mia?
Let's ask her.
Okay, is she free Wednesday? I'll text her.
Wait.
Again?
What time?
6?
6 is too early.
7?
7 works.
Fine.
And we're still going to the pizza place.
Yes.
Great.
Okay, I'll text Mia.
What are you writing?
Hey, sorry, but we need to change our plans.
That sounds serious.
Can you do Wednesday instead?
Perfect.
Sent.
Did she reply?
Not yet.
How long has it been?
5 seconds.
Oh,
You're very impatient.
I'm just excited.
She replied.
What did she say?
Wednesday works.
Yes.
Okay, now we have a plan.
Finally.
Wednesday at 7.
At the pizza place downtown.
Yes.
With Mia.
Yes.
And nobody is allowed to change the plan again.
Agreed.
Deal.
Deal.
Actually,
No.
what?
Whatever you're about to say, no.
I was just gonna ask.
No.
Fine.
Great.
Wednesday arrives.
Wait, we're suddenly on Wednesday?
Yes.
That was fast.
It's storytelling.
Okay, storyteller.
It's Wednesday afternoon and I text you.
What do you say?
Hey, are we still on for tonight?
And I say,
Of course.
exactly.
Then I ask, what time should we meet?
Caleb,
What?
we already decided.
I forgot.
7
Right.
at the pizza place,
Right.
downtown,
Right.
near the train station,
Right.
with Mia.
Right.
Are you okay?
Yes?
You seem confused.
I'm not confused.
You forgot everything.
I remembered eventually.
Okay.
So 7 o'clock.
Yes.
I'll see you there.
See you there.
Wait,
What?
what should I wear?
Caleb,
It's a simple question.
we're getting pizza.
I know.
Just wear normal clothes.
What are normal clothes?
You're impossible.
Fine, I'll figure it out.
See you at 7.
See you.
Bye.
Okay, 7 o'clock. I'm ready.
Caleb,
Rose,
where are you?
I'm outside the pizza place.
Which pizza place?
The one downtown.
Caleb,
What?
I'm at the other pizza place.
What other pizza place?
There's another pizza place near the train station.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is.
Wait,
What?
I think I'm at the wrong place.
I knew this would happen.
How?
Because you never wrote down the address.
Okay, send me your location.
I already did.
Where?
Check your messages.
Oh,
What?
my phone is at 2%.
Caleb,
I know.
you didn't charge your phone?
I forgot.
Okay, stay where you are.
Where are you going?
I'm coming to find you.
Okay.
What's the name of the place you're at?
Pizza Planet.
That's not the right one.
Why not?
We're meeting at Pizza Corner.
Oh,
You went to the wrong pizza place.
this is why I hate making plans.
No, this is why you need to pay attention when making plans.
Fair point.
I'm walking over.
Okay.
Wait,
What?
it's starting to rain.
Seriously?
Yes,
I don't have an umbrella.
neither do I.
Great.
This is going perfectly.
Should we just go home?
No,
Why not?
because we finally made plans.
That's true.
And we're already outside.
Also true.
So let's make the best of it.
I like that attitude.
See you in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And Caleb,
Yeah?
don't move.
I won't.
Promise?
Promise.
Good.
Rose?
What?
I think I'm at the wrong place again.
Caleb.
I'm joking.
Oh my gosh.
You should have seen your face.
You're lucky you're my friend.
I know.
Okay, I see you.
Where?
Turn around.
Oh,
Finally,
we made it.
we made it.
Where's Mia?
She said she'd be here at 7:30.
It's 7:15.
She has time.
Let's go inside.
Good idea.
Finally, pizza.
We deserved this.
Absolutely.
Oh,
What?
it's Mia.
What did she say?
Guys, I'm so sorry. Something came up.
Oh no.
She can't make it.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she says everything is fine.
What happened?
Her sister needs her help.
Oh, okay.
She says she wants to reschedule.
That's fine.
She's asking if we're free tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah,
I am.
me too.
Great.
But we already have plans tonight.
That's okay.
So we're still on for tonight?
Absolutely.
Even without Mia?
Of course.
Okay.
Actually, this is perfect.
Why?
Because now we don't have to share the pizza.
Caleb,
I'm joking.
you better be.
Okay, let's eat.
Finally.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned that making plans is harder than it looks.
That's true.
But we also learned some really useful English expressions.
Let's go through them.
Our first phrase is, "Are you free this weekend?"
This is a simple way to ask someone if they are available.
For example, "Are you free on Saturday?"
Or, are you free tomorrow evening?
You can use this phrase when you want to start making plans with someone.
The next phrase is, do you want to hang out?
Hang out means to spend time with someone casually.
For example, do you want to hang out after work?
Or, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?"
It's very common when talking to friends.
Our third phrase is, "What are you up to?"
This means, what are you doing? Or do you have any plans?
For example, "Hey, what are you up to tonight?"
You might answer, nothing much. Why?
That's a very natural way to start making plans.
Number 4 is, how about?
We use this to suggest something.
For example, how about going to the movies?
Or, "How about dinner on Friday?"
It's a simple way to make a suggestion.
Number 5 is, "Why don't we?"
We use this to suggest something as well.
For example, "Why don't we grab some food?"
Or, why don't we meet at 7?
Number 6 is, "I'm down."
This is informal and means yes, I'm interested, or yes, I want to do that.
For example, if your friend says, "Do you want to get pizza?"
You can say, yeah, I'm down.
It's very casual and common in conversations with friends.
Number 7 is what time works for you.
This means what time is convenient for you.
For example, what time works for you, 6 or 7?
You can answer, 7 works for me.
Number 8 is let's meet up at.
This means you are deciding where to meet someone.
For example, let's meet up at the coffee shop.
Or, let's meet up at the train station.
Number 9 is are we still on for?
This is a really useful phrase.
It means you're checking if the original plan is still happening.
For example, "Are we still on for dinner tonight?"
Your friend might say, yes, absolutely.
Or they might say, "Sorry, can we reschedule?"
Which brings us to our next phrase.
Something came up.
This means an unexpected situation happened.
For example, "I'm sorry, but something came up. Can we meet tomorrow instead?"
It's a natural way to explain why you need to change your plans.
And our final phrase is, "Can we reschedule?"
This means you want to move the plan to another time or day.
For example, "I'm sorry, I can't make it tonight. Can we reschedule?"
These phrases can help you make plans naturally in English.
Now let's practice together.
I'll say a phrase first,
Then we'll explain it.
and you can repeat it out loud.
Ready?
Are you free this weekend?
This is a great phrase to start making plans.
For example, are you free this weekend?
Now you try. Great.
Next one. Do you want to hang out?
This means, do you want to spend some time together?
Now repeat.
Excellent.
Here's the next one.
What time works for you?
Use this when you're trying to choose a convenient time.
For example, what time works for you? 6 or 7?
Now you repeat. Great job.
Next phrase.
Are we still on for tonight?
This means you're checking whether your plans are still happening.
For example, are we still on for dinner tonight?
Your turn. Perfect.
And our final phrase.
Something came up.
Use this when an unexpected situation happens and you need to change your plans.
For example, I'm sorry, but something came up.
Now repeat. Excellent.
Okay, it's quiz time.
Let's see if you remember what we learned.
Question 1.
You want to ask your friend if they are available on Saturday.
What do you say?
A, are you still on?
B, are you free on Saturday?
Or C, something came up?
The answer is B.
Are you free on Saturday?
Great job.
Question 2.
Your friend asks, do you want to get pizza tonight?
You like the idea and want to say yes casually.
What can you say? A, I'm down. B, I'm busy.
Or C, can we reschedule?
The answer is A, I'm down.
Nice. Last question.
You plan to meet your friend at 7, but you want to check if the plan is still happening.
What do you say?
A, what are you up to?
B, are we still on for 7?
Or C, how about 7? The answer is B.
Are we still on for 7?
If you got all 3 right, amazing job.
And if you didn't, that's okay.
Just keep practicing.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to make plans with friends.
You just need a few useful phrases and the confidence to use them.
You can start with something simple.
Are you free this weekend?
Do you want to hang out?
How about dinner?
What time works for you?
And finally,
Are we still on?
now it's your turn.
Imagine you're making plans with your best friend.
What would you like to do this weekend?
Would you go to the movies?
Grab some food?
Go shopping?
Or maybe just stay home and watch Netflix?
Tell us in the comments.
Write one sentence about your perfect weekend plan.
For example, this weekend I want to hang out with my friends and go to a cafe.
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed learning English with us.
Subscribe to English with Rosemi for more natural English conversations.
And remember,
The best way to improve your English is to practice using it.
so don't just learn the phrases.
Use them.
Make plans.
Start conversations.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Just remember where you're supposed to meet your friends.
And charge your phone.
That's probably the most important lesson today.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye.
Bye.